Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to show how to add custom icons in Elementor Pro and how to use it. And guys, if you want to know how to add custom fonts and custom code in Elementor Pro, then you can watch my previous tutorials. I have made a lot of videos on it. And before start, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel because this is all about Elementor and Elementor Pro content. So let's start. So guys, in the Elementor Pro you can see the custom icons section and you have to click on it, and after that you have to add new, and from here you can set the icon name, for example test, and from there you can see you can drag and drop your icons in the zip format, and it must be font tallow, icon moon and fantastic icons. So I am going to show how to add it from the font tallow. So here you have to drag few icons and it must be svg. So I have downloaded two icons in the svg format from the free icons website. So I am going to drag it here. So here you can see custom icons and I am going to give it name test, and I am going to select it, download web font, just click on it and it will be downloaded. Just go back to Elementor website and you just have to drag and drop your icons, and here you will see the publish button. You have to click on update, and if you do not see this button then you have to re-edit this page. And now I am going to click on update, and as you can see you can get the name, prefix and icons count here. So these two icon I have added and I am going to update it, and let's see how it works. So just go to pages and then edit any page with the Elementor. So now I am going to click on icon to test it. Just click and drag and drop here, and now I am going to select this option icon library, and here you can see my test icons are added here. I am going to click on it, and as you can see my icons is already here. So I am going to select anyone and insert. So here you can see the view of the icons, and if you go to style then you can change the color. Secondary color will be the black, and you can control the size of the icon as well, padding, rotate, and you can do other things like this easily. So this is how you can use it and add your custom icons in Elementor Pro. And you can subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials about Elementor and Elementor Pro. So I hope you must find this video useful. Finally, thanks for watching.